Hello, today we will guide you through how to set Exness Chart in mobile. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all menu options are visible and responsive. If you're signed in already, you should land on the main dashboard or home area. This process is quick, but it helps to move slowly the first time so you can clearly see where each option is located. Once the app is open, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This bottom navigation bar is where you'll usually find the main sections of the app, and the Trade tab is the one that gives you access to market instruments and chart-related options. After tapping it, wait for the trade screen to appear completely before moving on. Next, tap on a sample symbol. This means choosing any available trading instrument from the list so you can open its details. You're simply entering a symbol view in order to access the chart settings connected to it. If you see several symbols listed, just select one that is already visible on your screen. After that, look to the top right corner and tap on Settings. This is the area where display and chart preferences are typically managed. If the icon is small, take a moment to locate it carefully before tapping. Opening Settings from within the symbol view helps ensure you're adjusting the chart source from the correct place. From the Settings menu, tap on Charts. This section contains the chart configuration options for how market data is displayed inside the app. Once you enter the Chart section, you should see available chart choices or providers that can be selected. Now select Exness. This sets the chart option to Exness on your mobile app. After you tap it, the settings should apply immediately or remain selected as your chosen chart source. If needed, give the app a second to update the display. And that's it. You have successfully set the Exness chart in the mobile app. If you don't see the change right away, simply stay on the symbol screen for a moment or revisit the chart section to confirm that Exness is selected. It's also a good idea to make sure your app is updated, since menu layouts can vary slightly between versions. Thanks for following along. This simple adjustment can make it easier to view charts the way you want while trading in the Exness mobile app.